guys!
Hi!
So we're here in my cousin's house. What's your name?
Hi, Christine.
Marco Steve. Look at all our money. That's Steve's money, 400, and mine's 550.
Yan. Kasi pangalan ni mo.
Kate Bianco.
Yeah.
Let's start. Okay, so I got my money. I'm gonna count. Kunya lang ka dong. Okay, 500, 550, 560, 570, 580. Hapit ko 600. Ikaw. 400, 400, 410, 420.
Yes, girls. Then my ice cream.
Unsa ka paliton?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Isang...
Dili mo nidauton.
Ha?
Wala, ano eh.
Kaya may
Ah.
tino.
Ako ka man iinom.
Ano yung nagawas? So guys, camera my money. No what to know. This is tinood. Tinood. No?
This dulaan man eh.
This dulaan.
Pila imong dulaan kwarta? 400 no?
Bila mo ha.
550.
Tagai ko og ano yun?
Katagan ko ni. Ang 200. So, that.
Thank you.
Daghan na ako. I just scammed him.
On the threads.
I gave him 50 for 200. 200 man eh! Hatag imong 50, 250 na mo ha!
Wag your rice.
700 na ko! Palitan na
Guys.
ice cream!
Gigi?
Pero, yung kwarta. Palit. Sorry for the rain, but we got ice cream!